Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Auzubillahi minash-shaytanir-rajim. Hello, hi, assalamu alaikum viewers. How are you all guys? I hope so you all are fine. I am also fine, alhamdulillah. In this video guys, I am going to share with you most stunning and most beautiful and very pretty sewing craft ideas. Guys, these are very pretty, very amazing and very latest collections for you guys. Always think positive viewers. These are the most amazing and most unique and very pretty ideas for you guys. So guys, must subscribe my channel, and these are the most amazing and most pretty sewing art and craft ideas for you guys. If you want different other craft videos, then you guys must leave the comment in the comment section. I will upload those videos on my channel very soon, inshallah. So hope so you guys, these are very amazing, very unique and very pretty collections for you guys. So guys, thank you so much for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. So viewers, so thank you so much guys for supporting my channel, and thank you so much for watching my videos. These are very pretty, very amazing and very latest ideas for you guys. So hope so guys you enjoyed this video. These are very unique, very amazing